I want to say a very big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us this cabinet to try out. This is available in both black and white, and it's made from stainless steel, which is rust and scratch resistant. It comes to you in a flat pack, and it took me about 50 minutes to an hour, and I did this on my own. In the pack there, you get everything you need to build it. You get the instructions, all the parts which are really well labelled, and also you do get a screwdriver as well, so you don't need any other tools. This cabinet has some really great features that I really liked. It's a fantastic height and size, and it's really versatile, so you can have it in many rooms. So it would be absolutely lovely in either a living room, a kitchen, a hallway, in your garage or shed. It'd also be really great in bedrooms as well. The unit itself is 40 centimetres deep, so it has a really good capacity. You're going to get absolutely tons in there. The shelves are fully adjustable, so you can go to any height that you need. And each of those shelves can take 180 pounds, so it is really strong as well. So perfect for things like holding heavy books, toys and weights. The cabinet has some really fantastic features that I really loved. One, it has an anti-tip device, so you can make sure it is securely attached to the wall. It has these amazing vents. It also has a lock as well to keep things away. So if you've got things like paints and cleaning materials, you can keep them safely away. It looks great and it's got fantastic capacity as well. Thank you again to the team for sending it out to us. We really do appreciate it.